In a letter obtained by APTN News, Bernard says her resignation is the result of the National Children's Chiefs Commission constantly trying to sideline the AFN as they prepare to negotiate a long-term agreement on First Nations child welfare reform with Ottawa. The letter says the NCCC has repeatedly disrespected the AFN and my role as portfolio holder and stalled our efforts to work together. It also says, "We have seen this through the lack of respect to the development of our Memorandum of Understanding, AFN staff being asked to leave NCCC meetings when other organizations are permitted to stay, last-minute invites, and not providing materials, time, or space for the AFN Secretariat to support me from a technical level." Chief Pauline Frost of the Vuntut Gwich'in in Yukon chairs the now 19-member commission.
Working as First Nations across the country, it's not advisable for us to go out and divide ourselves, because that's what Canada wants. So our objective is really to start working towards reform. And the accusations and the comments is really not reflective of our views, and we've made it very clear right from the get-go.
First Nations Child and Family Caring Society Executive Director Cindy Blackstock told APTN News her organization has a good relationship with the NCCC. This includes working together to meet a Canadian Human Rights Tribunal order issued last month telling Ottawa, the AFN, the NCCC, and Caring Society to get back to the table to negotiate a long-term reform agreement.
So we've been working with technical experts across the country, including those at the National Children's Chiefs Commission, to come up with a consultation document, which should be ready in a matter of days. And then that'll be provided to leadership and experts in the region to provide feedback into that plan.
Frost reiterated that if the parties negotiating with Ottawa are divided, it will only further hurt First Nations children.
We need to work together because the solutions are there. And we've been at this far too long, and children are still being, imagine the child that was born 18 years ago, 18 years now, 18 years we've been at this, and the child's now aged out of the system and still hasn't been provided supports and services.
Bernard originally agreed to an interview with APTN News, but later declined. Fraser Needham, APTN National News, Ottawa.